Want to make money as a vending machine operator? Well, you need to start with the right sites and then choose machines that can handle real demand. This is where the Snack Point range comes in, with its ability to supply snacks and up to 270 cold drinks. For busy offices, factories, hospitals and leisure sites, you need capacity. And capacity comes from the Snack Point range. Fewer visits means better route efficiency. Better route efficiency means stronger margins. The Snack Point Vision like this one and the Quinto are built for modern workplaces. They look premium and come with optional high-capacity shelving to sell more snacks and cold drinks. Both are robust and come with clear, well-lit displays to help products stand out. They are ideal for locations where presentation matters, but income still matters more. For tougher outdoor or semi-public sites, choose the Scudo. It is built to take more punishment, making it ideal for leisure parks, factories, transport sites and outdoor trading points. You get snack and drink capacity in a secure, robust machine. The simple rule is this: buy machines that match the site. Premium indoor location? Choose the Vision. For high-demand operator site, choose the Snack Point Quinto. And for outdoor or exposed locations, choose the Snack Point Scudo. The better the machine fits the location, the easier it is to sell more, visit less, and build a profitable vending route. For a full demonstration, contact us today and we'll walk you through the complete Snack Point vending options.